is 2 marks. This is Cambridge non-calculator. So the question says, work out the area of the trapezium. You can pause the video and try it yourself. So the area of the trapezium, just zoom in. So the area of the trapezium is half times the opposite sides times the height. A and B are always opposite to each other. Now, that means the area is going to equal to, let's call this A and let's call this B. Now, someone may ask me, why is it not 8 and why is it not these two? Because these two are not parallel. A and B should be parallel to each other. Did you get it? Alright. So now, it's going to be a half times A plus B, 9 plus 15 is 24. Half times 24 times the height. The height is 8. It's always 90 degrees with one of these, with both of these. So it's 8. Then why did they give us this 10 here? This is to trick you. Be careful when you are using, when you are answering a trapezium question. This side doesn't matter. You don't need it. So that means the area is going to equal to half times 24 is just half of 24, which is 12. So it's 12 times 8 because this is just 12. Half times 24 is 12. 12 times 8 is 96 and the area is centimeters squared. And that's your nice final answer. Let's go to the next question.